Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we just come out to do an Audi Q5 S-Line with a Starline i96. On here we've done digital blocking where we actually lock up the gearbox. So I'm going to show you how it works. So obviously if someone grabs this key, unlocks the vehicle or jumps in the car, as soon as they start it, they think they're away, but as soon as I put it into gear, they just keep on swinging back into park, okay? So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, it'll insert a code. We can use several buttons, but on here we've just used just one button just for video purposes. But on the Audis, we're going to pair it to their phone. Makes it a little bit easier, but on here you have to do it quite slow. So push, hold, release, push, hold, release, push, hold, release. There's our melody. Select a gear and drive away. Really simple and straightforward to use. Okay, if you want to change the code, this is also very, very simple. Obviously you need the original code and you have to disarm it first. So we're not going to start it, we're just going to turn the ignition on. We're going to disarm the system. So 1, 2, 3, wait for our melody. Then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cycle the start button off and back on and we'll get 5 bleeps. So we're now ready to learn. So basically I'm going to show you what buttons work. So on this one, down, up, not towards you, not there. And these on the steering wheel are a bit slow, so they've got a slight delay. If you listen, they're a slight delay. So I wouldn't really recommend these. On here, you've got the window buttons. They're responsive, really quick. I don't know what the code is, so we just wait for it to give us a double bleep to accept that code, but I have no idea what it is. So now let's just try a code now. So on here, just for video purpose, I'm going to go wait for our confirmation to accept the code. There you go, there's our confirmation. And again, just confirm the code. Okay, that's our code. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to wait for it to set and we're going to try the new code, okay? As I said, on these Audis, it takes about a minute for it to set from when you turn off the start button. So if we were to do a test now, it would go into gear, okay? Okay, now we've changed the code as I've shown you, and we wait for it to set. So let's just start it up now, start it up again. Try and put it into gear. Just keeps on swinging back into park, okay? So insert our new code. Wait for our melody. There's our melody and drive away. Okay, if you notice on this, we're not actually getting any error codes. This is a different form of immobilisation. If you see some of these Ghosts and some of these Starlines that we've done and some of these Halo Minis, when you select a gear, they cut out, but this is a little bit more polished off. We're just trying it on the 2024. I mean, it doesn't cause any problems when these error codes come up if you make a mistake, but this is just a little bit more polished off. Hope you found this video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto. We've just fitted it on an Audi Q5 2024 Starline i96 with gearbox lock. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.